Alright, over here we have budgies. I lovebird. That's a love about it. We call them lovebird.
Well, that kind of look like parrot.
Parakeet.
Ah.
Parakeet. Smallest member of that family.
Oh.
From Australia. Alright. One bird can lay a good amount of eggs. Like up to 8. Yes. There's a reason why we have so many.
But when it's a big little bird, can lay like 3 eggs.
Not one cow. Having got 8. And probably in the space of period, like maybe like 4 years.
Oh.
4 later.
Oh.
But
Yeah.
That's a lot for a bird.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
And after hatching, 6 months later, they're able, their body is somewhat mature enough to lay eggs. But they recommend if you have them at pet, 1 year.
Oh.
Yeah.
They're kind of nice, though, but.
Yeah. Yeah.
Them cute. I wouldn't have one as a pet, but them cute.
Yeah.
You have to get them in series or more.
Then we get the purse.
Huh?
Then we get the purse.
Yeah, man.
That always happen. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Alright. Technically, they consider you as a mate. Alright? And remember, they kind of ish up on each other. They always have each other covered.
Yes. Okay.
Right? So, if you not there, the bird stop eat. The maga down and he dead.
They must have stress.
Very much so.
Yeah.
Then get depressed. Right. So, they recommend pairs or more. And when
So
you
me
get
and
the
you.
pair,
Me and you are budgies.
like I get 3 of them, and one day, just person I meet at the next one.
Oh, snap.
And that one they dead, and then this one they dead because they not no company.
How you know the female and the male different?
Alright, usually the female, you see we can find one. And two one here. One right here. You see the yellow beak?
Yeah.
Pat them up.
Not the fat stomach. Move the man. Left the near the stomach. So the one right here with the yellow beak, yeah, that's the female. Sometimes the female have a little bit of the pattern of the males, right? But most of the males, they have like the look. You see the color on the wing,
Yeah.
like it's
Like
extra
the
bright,
something.
and the blue beak, and like the extra dot on the side.
Side, yeah.
You know, the
Okay.
females also look a bit more refined, though.
Yeah, they're smaller, like more
But the pulse,
sleek.